Hello, this is Ankit Alex Hansta, your 15 CS258, and I'm making this video for fifth experiment. And the aim of this experiment is introduction to dynamic routing. So there are many types of routing. Under them are dynamic routing, and there are also many types of dynamic routing. And in this experiment, we will be learning about RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. So first, let's go to RIP version 1. So RIP version 1, what is actually dynamic routing? Dynamic routing is when the router is when the admin sets a protocol, and using those protocol, the router decides which route to take. The advantage here is that even if a particular route fails, that is even if the most efficient route fails, if any other route is present, the router will use that alternative route and reach to the destination. So the RIP version 1 dynamic routing, it is for classful networks. That is, if a network has a set class, that if the networks have set class, then only we can use this version 1 RIP. So for using this for this experiment, we have made a sample topology. As you can see here, we have given each of the networks an IP address, and all the WANs also an IP address. All of them has a class of /24. So this is RIP version 1. So for setting up an RIP version 1, what we need to do is like we have to notify each router that with which network is it directly connected. For this, you will go to CLI. First of all, we will give the routers and all its components its IP addresses, and to give the route, we will use config t, and we will use route RIP. Okay, so we have now we can configure that which route and how the data will choose its path or route. So here, using in RIP command, what we have to do is specify the networks which the router is directly connected to. So first, as you said, we have given route RIP, and then we will give it with the networks which are directly connected to it. Those are network 192.168.1.0, and there is one more 192.162.0. These two networks will give it, and these two networks will be saved inside the router, and it will know that these two are directly connected to it, and accordingly it will use the networks to move its destination. So if we try to transfer any data from one network to another, as you can see, after configuring all the routers, if we try, as you can see, we have a data here. So if we start, so as you can see, it started from here, went here, and then came back, and it is currently successful. So we have successfully established a connection between these two networks, and also a routing protocol has been set. So it is used router is using those protocols to give the data a route. So moving on to the second part of the experiment, here we will discuss about RIP version 2. In this method of dynamic routing, it supports all kinds of IP address. That is, it is a classless IP address. So it supports subnetting and VLSM. So it is more advantageous than version 1, since we are free to have any kind of IP. So as you can see here, we have each network has a different kind of IP, whereas in the last one each class had same IP, I mean same subnet mask. So here it's /24, here it's /30, here it's /16, here it's /24. Even if all the networks have different subnetting masks, but still we can connect all those networks together using the IP version 2. So for configuring a router, we will use the similar to RIP version 1, we use router RIP like this, and config, and we will use router RIP. But to specify that we are using version 2, we will type version 2 and enter. And here the specification is same as RIP1. We specify to the router which network are directly connected to it, and with this information the router will decide which route to take to move to destination. For example, he will add a network so we will add this network, and then we have added this network. So now it should so similarly we will configure each and every router and specify which network it's connected to, and using those information the router will find its destination, find its most efficient route to the destination. So let's try sending in packet. It starts from this end device and goes to this end device. So as you can see, the file has successfully completed its cycle. It went to the end device and then came back. As you can see, it is successful. Thank you.